Hello students, let's see one question which is asked by my student Sudhanshu. So balance by what student? This is the ion electron method. This method is also called student half reaction method, that you keep in mind, because we split the equation into two half equations. So what the question he asked, that is N2H4 plus Cr2O72 minus. It was giving student NO3 minus plus Cr3 plus. It's very simple student. If you are talking about N2H4 student, so what is the oxidation number of it? You consider 2x because two nitrogen are there. Each hydrogen is minus 1 equal to 0. So 2x minus 4 equal to 0. So x is going to be plus 2. So here I mentioned going to be plus no minus 2 student. This is not plus 2. It is going to be minus 2. Cr2O7, because this is going that side now, it will take minus student. Now we are having Cr2O72 minus, so you consider 2x plus 7 minus 2, each oxygen is minus 2. So 2x is equal to minus 2 plus 14, so x is equal to plus 6. So this is the plus 6. If you are talking about NO3 minus, x 3 oxygen is there, each oxygen minus 2 equal to minus 1. So x minus 6 is equal to minus 1. So x is equal to plus 5. So this is plus 5. अब dear students, see minus 2 to plus 5 increase now. This is called oxidation. And 6 to 3 now. This is called reduction. So split the given equation into two half equation. So N2H4 is converting into NO3. And Cr2O7 2 minus, it converting into Cr3 plus. What is the rule student? Rule. So rule is we split the equation into two, and second is balance other than O and H. Balance other than O and H. So other than oxygen and hydrogen, this is nitrogen, 2 are here, here is only 1. So I multiply by 2. Chromium this side 2 and this is 1, so multiply by 2. Now next step is oxygen by what we do student H2O and hydrogen by H plus. So let us see what we can do. So here see oxygen 6 are there, so this side nothing is there, so I added 6 H2O student, right? Second one, you see hydrogen this side is become 4 to 8 and here is 4, right student? So how many hydrogen we need to 4 to the 4 to 6 to the 12, 12 4 16. So here I wrote 16H plus. So hydrogen and oxygen both valence. In the second equation 7 oxygen is there. So simply I added here 7 H2O. Now hydrogen you count 7 to the 14. So here I wrote the 14H plus, right? Now next step, that is they are saying charges by adding electron. We have to add charges by adding electron. We need to adding electron. Which side we need to add where positive charge is more. This side you see student there is zero charge. This side you see here NO3 minus student. So here charges are 16 plus and 2 minus, that is 14 plus. So simply we need to add the 14 electron student, right? This is the 14 electron. So see 2 minus and 14 minus, that is 16 minus 16 plus 0. This side you see student 2 3 just 6 plus is there. Here is the 12 plus and 2 minus, that is 14 plus and 2 minus, that is 12 plus. So you can add the 16 electron, so it will become 6 electron. It will become going to be what student 6 to 8, 8 minus 14 plus, so it is going to be what student 6 plus, both sides 6 plus. In both the equation you can see here is 6 electron, here is 14 electron, they are not equal. We need to equal the electron. How can we equal? If you can multiply this equation by 6 and this equation by 14, so you can be able to balance the equation, right student? So after multiplying we need to write student. So firstly you multiply and then write the equation. You are multiplying this first equation by 6 and second equation by 14 student, right? So if you are multiplying by 14, student, everything will be balanced left side and right side. So 6 if you are writing, so 6 N2H4, then 6 6 how much, student? It is going to be 36 H2O. What is it giving? 6 2 12 NO3 minus. Then 16 into 6. So it is going to be 96H plus. Then 14 into 6. Okay. For the electron, so it is going to be 84 electron. Now the second equation is multiplied by 14. So this is 14 cr2O72 minus. And then 14 into 14 H plus. So 196 H plus. Then what is going to be electron? So 14 into 6, that is 84 electron. What it is giving, student? 14 to the 28 cr3 plus ion. Then 14 into 7, right, student? So it is 98 H2O. So this is all about the 14 into 7. 98, correct. So here you see 84 electron and 84 electron left right combination, it is going to be out. So electron out, here water is there, student, both side water are there, that we need to balance. H plus are there both the side, that we need to balance. So here you see H plus 196 and here 96. So if you subtract, it will come 100 H plus here left side. Water here 36 and another side it is 98, student. Water, if you see, one side is how much? 36, another side is, it is going to be 98. So how much water is going to be come, student? It is going to be 62 H2O. Remaining things we need to write. So here is the 6 N2O N2H4. This is okay. Then it is what we are having, 14 cr2O72 minus. So this side is equal, another side you go. So 12 NO3 minus, then 28 cr3 plus, that is. So this is now balance equation, but this is what is the common. This all the equation can be divided by 2. So let us divide, student. So it is going to be 3N2H4, although this is not very easy, and 3, then it is the 7 cr2O72 minus, then it is going to be, I think, 50 H plus. This is the 6 NO3 minus, then 14 cr3 plus, and then it is going to be 31 H2O. So this is the balance one. Let me check the answer. How can you check, student? Nitrogen, hydrogen, chromium, oxygen, charge. Nitrogen, hydrogen, chromium, oxygen and charge. Nitrogen how much? 6. This side here is 6. Hydrogen 4 3 12 and 50. So 12 and 50, it is going to be 62. This side you can go. 6 3 18 plus 6 18 and here is 62. Firstly you balance the hydrogen. Little bit mistake. 4 3 12 plus 50. Right, student? So it is something coming 62. And this side hydrogen, if you are adding, student, this side. So here no hydrogen, na? So it is how much? 62. This is balance. Here is 7 to 14. Chromium 14. This is also chromium, you can say 14. Oxygen, you see, student, how many are there? 49. This is 49. This side oxygen 31 and 6 3 18. 31 plus 18. It is going to be again 49. Charge you see student, 7 to the 14. 14 minus and 50 plus. So it is going to be plus 36. This side charge is how much student? 14 3 ja 48. Okay, and minus 6. That is again going to be 36. 42 minus 6, that is 36. So this is what the everything is balanced student, although a little bit it is tough problem, but if you follow the step it will be easy. Thank you students.